one. Ha? Okay, nakabigay na mo yung first prize.
First bag ng white team, Pasqua, Arbonel, Alipio, Sinoha at 1. First bag ng green team, Balayon, Paraeg, Tawa, Chin at Gingatero. Pasok! Maraming salamat po sa sponsor natin, Corbin 55, Cannibal Sportswear, Backprints, Bro Code, Barbershop, at San Senior Union, Sporty Hub Ballers, at Hamnes Coach, Thomas Lodge. Maraming salamat po. Coach, sabihan na ako ngayon na Alipio. To Pasqua. For 3, nagun. Ibang nakuha ko na yung pinasa nito kay Pasqua. Tumira ng 3, Pasqua. 3 points. Valuyo, Pastor Dawak, 10 shoot, Valuyo tangla, 2 points, sayang hindi masuk nila ni mga nilay. 1, hindi masuk nila ni mga Pasqua, to Alipio, to Arbonel, oy, sayang ni mga Valuyo, tempat karain, fast break. Hindi mo asal ni Mabay Maklay putback. Hindi mo asal ni Mabay Maklay na mga ngayon ni Pasqua. Arbonel to Alipio. Time to shoot. 2 points. Senoha. Did the shoot. Pass to G. Pinasa ilalim with 2 points. Bigyan Tera. 1. Did the shoot. Pass to Alipio. 1 to Pasqua. Pasqua for 3. Shot. Rebound by Tawa. Pinatema. 10 to shoot. Hindi pumasok ang tira rin by Tawa. Tawa fires 2 points. Uy, intercepted na Valuyo. Valuyo. Uy, nice pass. Pinatema 2 points. Warning for delay in the game. Hitting. Alipio to Arbonel. Pass to Pasqua for 3. Shot. Rebound by Sinoha to Alipio. To Pasqua to Arbonel. Arbonel fires. Oh, it is wrong. Rebound by Valuyo. Makaraeg. 2v3 situation. Pass to Chi. Chi fakes. Chi for 3. Shot. Rebound by 1. Pass break dito kay Arbonel. Arbonel. Uy! Nabitaw na bola na ako ni Pasqua. Senoha fires 2 points. Chi. 2 points. Chi. Alipio. To shoot. Pass to 1. Sinoha to Arbonel. 10 to shoot. To Pasqua. Pass go out to one, to Carbonell. Nice pass. Carbonell layup. 2 points. Carbonell. Baluyo.
Opo.
Baluyo drive. Pass to. Hindi pasok. Kakarasi. Hindi pinapawasok niya na rebound. 2 points. Bigyan naman.
Kailan daw yung laro nyo? Kailan daw yung laro nyo sa Gabay daw?
Carbonell.
Hindi po.
Pass to one. To Carbonell. Give it go. Hindi pasok. Hindi pasok ang tira ng mga tao ngayon. Warek. Intercepted the one. To Alipio. Alipio. 2 points. Alipio. Score on the line, 11-10 in favor of white team.
Opo, kampisa pa lang.
Pass to Baluyo, wide open for three. In and out, 3-1. 1 to Alipio, Alipio to 1, fires. Hindi masok tira naman. Tawang, hindi pa rin pumapasok tira naman kay Carbonell. Change by.
Okay, change by po tayo. Oh, white, sino matitira sa green? Oh, Mr. Baluyot, ikaw daw may iwan sa green team. At,
Ay, ganun din. Every 5 minutes.
sino?
Nakalaro lang. Second, third.
Si Baluyot lang may iwan. Okay, Mr. Baluyot, ikaw lang daw may iwan. Oh, ayaw, pili kayo doon.
Para makalaro lang.
May iwan sa bench daw, Mr. Baluyot. May iwan daw sa bench pala. Oh, sa white. Pili na kayo sa white. Sa white. Sa dalawa, tatlo, apat. O, sa white, o. Sino gusto nyo iwan sa white team? Yung kaninang first five.
Naku, puto. Malakas din pala itong white.
O, sino gusto? Sino? Green team. Para makarek. Kaya lang. Sino gusto nyo iwan sa white team sa kaninang first five?
Apo, apo.
Sino?
Sino daw po yung gusto niyo makalaban? Kayo na mamimili. One.
O, si Mr. Juan. Pasok daw, Mr. Juan. Okay. Back to the ball game.
Pito. To Medina. Medina, pull up jumper. Ay, ball.
Nasobrahan ng buwan sa lugaw, kaya humina yung pulso.
Makarek. Intend to shoot. Makarek break. Makarek. Tubig ang tela. Masure. Pero rebound naman ngayon. Tino. Pass break to Pito. Pito pass. Another rebound by Watt. Watt pass. 2 points. Watt. Hindi mo tinadawa mo. Loose ball. Pito. Pito. Uy! Nagtato ka na ng pass break kay Makarek. Nagawa. Makarek. Makarek. 2 points. Medina. Pass to Tino for three. Hindi masak rebound by Villanueva. Pass to Makarek. Makarek. Pass to tawang. Oh, nagawa ni Juan. Pass to Tino. For three. Belmonte. 3 points. Tagal. Green team. Belmonte. Tupito. To Belmonte. Pass to Medina. Medina pass to one wide open. One hit was on the rebound by Chi. Oh, intercepted by Medina. Medina pull up. Short rebound by Villatema. Here comes Villatema. Drive. Oh, bumangka sa pader. Foul jersey number 13. Blind foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Ching for three. 3 points. Ching. Pito, double mate. Ready to shoot. Pito, pass to Tino, to Medina. Medina fires up. There's a reset. Who's fouled there? Foul jersey number 15. Illegal sa fans. 2 shots. Para kay Medina. Second row. Pumasok. Isa lang. Score, Deadlock 17. Pakarae. For 3 points. Sarmiedo. Medina, pass to Tino. Pinasalita na ako ngayon. Pinatema na ako ngayon. Chi. Here comes Chi. Chi draws. Chi drives. Uy, sayang. Hindi masok nila na mga kainuan. Pass na Belmonte.
Okay na.
Pass to Pito. Fires. The good rebound by Villatema. Tumakay. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds to play. Pare. To Sarmiento for 3. Sarmiento. 3 points. Pito for 3. Hindi mo sa kanila, di ba? Pare. To Sarmiento. Pass to Chi. Last 40 seconds. Medina drives 2 points. Last 30 seconds. Score natin ay 90-83. Sarmiento fakes. 5 for 3. Short rebound nakuha ngayon ni Medina. Last 14 seconds. Pito layup, 2 points. Pito. 5 seconds. And the first quarter is gone. Back to the ball game.
Pagod agad ah.
Baluyo, Tumakarae. Pass to Ching. Ching for 3. Short rebound na mga Baluyo. Ay! Plus to Villatema. Villatema fires. Another rebound grabs by Villatema Brent. Baluyo. Baluyo pass into the middle. Ching, 2 points. Ching. Pito. Pito fires. It was on the rebound. Bola. 2 points. Pito. Pass to Pinatema. Pass to Alipio. Nagawa na ngayon. Pass break to Pito. Pito to Carbonell. Carbonell, 2 points. Easy 2 points. Score, Detak 25. Sargento. To Pinatema. Pass to Makaraeg. Makaraeg, drive pass to G, 2 points. G. Alipio, Orhi, hindi masak na ibang drive. Last touch, box score. Green team ball. Baluyot drives 2 points. Baluyot.
Agaan ng katawan.
Ayos yun ah.
Ang time talaga.
Pito. Pinasa Carbonell. Bongga. Oh! There's a reset. Foul jersey number 23. Hit foul, 2 shots. Carbonell. First personal foul, jersey number 23, first team foul, green team. Oh, hindi pumasok. Pumasok ang isa. Score, 26-29 in favor of green team. Baluyot. 10 to shoot. Baluyot cross. Baluyot drives 2 points. Baluyot. Alipio. Ay, Alipio nasa duda. Alipio pa rin. Fires. Basket counter. Basket count. Foul jersey number 14. Pushing foul. Bonus shot. Para kay Alipio. Hindi pumasok ang bonus shot. Makaraeg. Score na tonight. 28-31. Raymond Green. Ching fires, no good. Rebound by Pito. Pass break to pass back. To Alipio. To Carbonell. Wide open. 2 points.
30.
Baluyot.
30-31.
15 to shoot. Baluyot. Baluyot na naman. Nakawala. Baluyot. 2 points. Makaraeg. Alipio. Pass break to pass back. To Pito. Hindi masok. Rebound. Chi.
Last.
Did the shoot. That shoot. Baluyot. Pasok Pinatema fires. Double rebound. Alipio pass break wide open. Pass ball. Libre. Hindi masok nila. Rebound by Makaraeg. Makaraeg. Pasok Pinatema. 2 points. Alipio. Alipio fires. Another rebound by Makaraeg. Makaraeg pass to Ching. 2v1 situation. Ching layup. Another rebound by Ching Paret. Putbak hindi pa rin pasok. Rebound na ako ngayon ni Pasba. To Pito. Pito floater. Hindi pa rin pasok. Rebound na ako ngayon ni Makaraeg. Makaraeg fires 2 points. Carbonell. Change Score na tonight, 37-32 in favor of Green Team. To Baluyot. Baluyot. 2 points. Team. Continue to shoot. Belmonte. Continue. Pass to Medina to 1. Hindi mo asang tirari. Rebound by San Pedro. Tumangan. Continue to shoot. Then shoot. Baluyot na naman nakawala. Pinasa din. Uy, nakagawa ng bola ng Dino. To Medina. Medina to Belmonte. Belmonte to 1. Fires 2 points. 1. Kawan. Continue to shoot. Baluyot. Pass to Tawang sa ilalim. Nasubukan. Save ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 to shoot. 6 to shoot. 6 seconds. Ching. Uy, nakagawa ni Juan. Juan to Pasqua. Back to Juan. Juan to Pasqua. 2 points. Pasqua. Oh, nakagawa pa rin. Sarmiento. Pass to Baluyot. Baluyot cross. Baluyot drive. Uy, nice pass na. Bitawan lang na Wachi. 2 points. Team. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds play. Tino. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by. Intercepted by Pasqua. Pass to 1. 1 to Pasqua. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Chi. Chi. Tumakarain. Uy, pinas. Save ball. Nice pass. Tama. Green Team. Back to the ball game.
The ball game is back.
Vedi a terra, quello io. Dan shoot. Dawamo, natabigan. Second. Fourth to shoot. Fourth to shoot. Follow your portrait. Everyone. Dawamo. Lose ball. Belmonte. Belmonte for 3. No good. Rebound by Chi. Tumakarain. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva reverse. Hindi ko sa matira rebound. 1 to Pasqua. Pasqua to Belmonte. To Pasqua for 3. Pasqua 3 points. Score 41-39 in favor of Green. 2-point lead lang po. Baluyot. Baluyot, put back. Hindi pasok ko tira rebound by. Nakakuha ni Belmonte. Medina. Medina to Pasqua. Pass to 1. Uy! Hindi na sila. Ako ni. Hindi pasok tira Pasqua. 1 for 8. Fires. Hindi mo papasok. Rebound by Tawa. Uy! Intercepted by 1. Nakakawan din ni Parain. Baluyot. Uy! Ito Villanueva. 2 points, G. Tino drives 2 points, Tino. Sarmiento layup, 2 points. Check pala sa check. Loose ball. Check. Pass to Baluyo. Baluyo for 3. Baluyo, 3 points. Last 35 seconds. Pass for 3. No, 3-1-1, put back 2 points. Wow. Last 24 seconds. Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds. What the Belmonte? Belmonte for 3. Shot. 3 seconds. Time. End of second quarter.
Pagod na yan.
Alipio, Tino. Tumidina. Hop, nasundutan na ako niya. Bilang tema pass to Chick. 2 points, Chick. Hop, nakatawag ngayon ni Baluyo. Baluyo tumasok, nasundutan ni Medina. Here comes Medina. Tumarbonet. Hop. Save ball. Alipio for 3. No, dribble by Medina. Medina fires it. Di berpasok rebound by Sarmiento to Macrae. 2v1 situation. Macrae. There's a reset. Foul jersey number 39. Illegal is offense. First personal foul, first team foul. Baluyo for 3. Rebound by Carmenel. Pass break dito kay Tino. Tino fires 2 points. Tino. Didn't shoot. Baluyo. Kuching. Uy, naagaw ngayon na rin yung bola. Alipio to Carbonel. Carbonel. Bumalik pa 2 points. Carbonel. Sarmiento for 3. Shot. Rebound na ako ngayon. Pass to Alipio. Tino. Pass to Alipio. 2 points. Nice pass. Score 50-49. 1 point lead para sa green team. 10 to shoot. For 3. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Tino. Tino to Carbonel. Oh, kabitaw na bala naman ng Baluyo. Here comes Baluyo. Baluyo. 2 points. Makarami. Medina. Medina. Oh, nakatakikaan na ako ngayon. Baluyo ang pass break dito kay Macaraeg. Macaraeg. Libre. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by jersey number 24 to Alipio. Oh, tumakasa na. Pass. Ching, 2v1 situation. Tumakaraeg, 2 points.
Sigurado na.
Dino. To Alipio. Alipio for 3. Alipio, 3 points. Paluyo. Ching. Ching drives 2 points. Ching. 2 points, Carbonell. Makaraeng. 15 to shoot. Tupaluyo. Uy! Bad pass. Substitution. Sarmiento for 3 points. Sarmiento. Shooter. Tino. Tino to one pass to Carbonell. Carbonell fakes. Carbonell pass to Pito. Double rebound by one fires 2 points. One. Point, traveling violation. Score na 59-56, 3-point lead para sa T-Team. Carbonell layup, hindi masang rebound na ako ngayon ni Pito Pires. Hindi mo masang last touch. Save ball. Pass to Tino. To Tino, wide open for 3. Short. Rebound by Sarmiento. Pass break. Tino kay Ching. Oh, masyadong lakas. Ching. To Makaraeng. Makaraeng, libre. 2 points. Makaraeng. Last 5 minutes and 15 seconds to play. Carbonell. Hindi mo masang tira, Carbonell pa rin, wide open. Uy, hindi mo rin masang matira, rebound by Sarmiento. Last one on C. Sarmiento, to Ching, tumayo, to Ching. Ching fires 2 points. Ching. Intercepted by Brilliant Tema. Oh, there's a reset. Kita po. Foul jersey number 30, pushing foul. Time out. Wait. Makaraeng for 3. No good rebound by Carbonell. Pass break dito kay Pito. Pito to 1. Fires 2 points. 1. Sarmiento. Makaraeng pass to Sarmiento. Wide open for 3. 3 points. Sarmiento. Tino. Hindi to shoot. Tino. Uy, nakagawa na pasa na pass break dito kay Ching. Uy, masyado lang sa pasa. Nakakaliwan. To Pito. Pito. Ligamal ball. Loose ball.
Yun, sa mga may mga basura dyan, at dumating na may naghahamon ng basura natin.
short. Rebound by Villatema. Bakaraeng. Fifty to shoot. 4-3 short. Hindi pas sa Jing. Rebound by only one pass to Carbonell. Here comes Carbonell. Layup. 2 points. Carbonell. Villatema. Oh, nakakana wala nama pa rin yan. Villatema pass to Sarmiento. Reverse. Hindi pas sa rebound. 2 points. Baluyo. Oy! Bad pass.
Under the court.
Substitution. Bakaraeng. 10 to shoot. Ching layup, hindi masok nila ni Van by Tino. Tino, pass to Vito Pires. Double rebound na pinanawa ngayon ni Villatema, pass to Sarmiento. To Baluyo layup, 2 points, Baluyo. Carbonell. Carbonell na wala, 2 points, Carbonell. Basic na basic. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds to play. Time to shoot. Sarmiento for 3. Hindi mo sa rebound ng Carbonell. 2v1 situation. 2v2. Carbonell loose side step. 2 points. Carbonell. Ay, nagawa naman Carbonell naman. 2 points. Back to back basket.
Bulaga Carbonell, good for 2.
Baluyo. 10 to shoot. Baluyo. Bakaraeng. 1 to shoot. Villatema, hindi masok nila. Rebound naman ng Bakaraeng ng Tino. Tino. Uy, masyado malakas ang pass. Pass to Vito Pires. 2 points. Time out. Green team. Ching for 3. Double 3, 1 by 1. One ngayon. One pass to Pascal. Wide open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Pascal. Lamang na ball. White team. Bakaraeng. Pass to Tawang. 2 points. Tawang. Lamang na ball ulit ang green team. Tino, pass to 1. Pass to Tino. Pinakita naman na ako ngayon naman kay Bakaraeng. There's all he said. Foul jersey number 30, Carbonell, only foul. Five to shoot. Uy, intercepted na dito. And a third quarter. Score natin ay 7. Bakaraeng, pass to Baluyo. Baluyo drives, number 3 ball by Tawang Pires. Basket coming. shot. Third personal foul, Carbonell, bursting foul para sa white team. Hindi pumasok po ang shot. Belmonte. Tupas pa. Belmonte. Time to shoot. Carbonell. Hindi pumasok Carbonell pa rin. Tupas pa for 3. No good. Rebound by Sarmiento G. Ching to Baluyo. Baluyo layup. No good. Rebound ng Pasco. Alipio. To Belmonte. Carbonell. Carbonell layup. 2 points. Carbonell. May pa-stare down si Gonzi. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Oy, bad pass. Score na lang 7-4, 7-3 in favor of Green Team. Alibi for 3. No good. Rebound by Macaray. Sarmiento, 15 to shoot. Oh, intercepted by Carbonell. 2v1 situation. Carbonell to Belmonte fires 2 points. Change people. Hindi masuk ang tira rebound. Cabrera. There's a reset. Foul jersey number 24, pushing foul, 2 shots. Time out! Gritty. Back to the ball game.
Mr. Reyes, mag-ready ka na at sasayaw ka na pagkayari ng laro na to. Bisan mo.
Second throw.
Naglalaro doon? Naglalaro?
Pumasok. Deadlock 7-5. One. To Pito. Back to 1. Pass to Belmonte for 3. Too strong. Rebound Baluyo to Baluyo. Baluyo to intercepted by 1.
Dumating.
Pass to Carbonell.
Dumating.
Carbonell pass to 4-3. No good. Rebound by Tapian up. Loose ball.
Dumating yung rescue.
Baluyo.
Rest pa, oh.
Dito shoot. Pinasa gilid. Numero 3. Hindi masok nila. Put back 2 points. Baluyo.
Baluyan Brothers.
15 shoot. Belmonte to Pito. Pito for 3. No good. Rebound by 1. Water naman. Pass to fires. No good. Rebound by Baluyo to Baluyo. Dito shoot. Baluyo tasok na rin ako ni Juan. Pass dito kay Pito. Pito to Carbonell. Oh, there's what he said. Foul jersey, sino ba? Who's foul red? Foul jersey number 13. Pushing foul. continue in. Paswa for three. Paswa. 3 points. Change table. Baluyo to check for 3 points. Team. Quick answer para sa green team. Belmonte to Pascal once again. Bang! 3 points.
Naman sunod.
Pascal. Baluyo. To check, bumaon ulit ang 3. Hindi pasok ni Stan. Ribang nawa. Di Carbonell. Carbonell to 1. Paswa 2 points. That's 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Baluyo. To check. Oh, there's a reset. Foul jersey number 73, Tino holding foul. First personal foul, warning, 30 foul. Baluyo. 10 to shoot. Baluyo tawala. Pinatay, oy, bad pass. Nakuha ngayon ni Carbonell.
Oh, si
Carbonell, Tino, Carbonell, 1 pass, 2 points, 1. Baluyo, 15 to shoot, to check for 3, short, rebound ako na 1. Here comes 1, pass to Carbonell. Carbonell, pass, uy, bad pass, nakuha ngayon nito. Baluyo, 3v1 situation. To down fake, fires, no good. Rebound down pa rin. Reverse up, but there's a reset. Foul jersey number 73. Illegal offense. 2 shots. Substitution. Check out. Makara-ME. Pumasok ako ng free throw. Second throw. Substitution. Last 4 minutes. Score natin ay 85-82. Carbonell for 3. Nalo, 3 ba ang ako ngayon ba yun? Baluyot to Betema 2 points. Sa nalaman po kalamangan ng white team. Belmonte. To shoot. Belmonte to 1. To Belmonte for 3. Belmonte 3 points. Baluyo to matakit. To Betema fires 2 points. 85-83. Not fires 2 points. 1. Luyot. Tino. Oh, there's a reset. Foul, jersey number 0. Holding foul. Paswa. Pass to Belmonte. Belmonte drives. Oh, nakuha na ng bola na. Oh, Chapo. Single. Last 2 minutes and 21 seconds to play. One cut! Ay, hindi masama yung bata mo ngayon ni Baluyot. Pass break to Makarek pass! No! Rebound naman ng Belmonte. To Carbonell. Last 2 minutes. 10 to shoot. Belmonte for free. Black na ngayon ni Baluyot. Pass to Makarek. Makarek fires 2 points. White team. Meron pa to the ball game. Pito, Belmonte. Pito. 10 to shoot. Carbonell. 5 to shoot. Tino to Carbonell. Fires 2 points. 1. To Baluyot for 3. Baluyot 3 points. Score 92-91. Last 1 minute. 10 to shoot. 1 pass to Belmonte to 1. Nice give and go. Hindi pa sa matira ng mga tama ngayon. Hindi natin mag-pass to Baluyot. 2v2 situation. Sarmiento drives 2 points. Change favor. Last 36 seconds. Tino for 3. Short rebound. Carbonell put back. And basket counted. Basket count. Foul jersey number 15. Illegal is hands. Bonus shot for Carbonell. Score another 94-93 in favor of White team.
Ganda yung kita nila. Alam mo overtime ah. Amoy overtime nga eh.
Pumasok na! Green team! Back to the ball game. Last 28 seconds left. Baluyot. Last time to shoot. Baluyot cross. Baluyot pass to Sarmiento for 3. No! 3 na naman ngayon. Pito. Foul jersey number 14. Only foul. Warning for penalty. Green Gary for penalty both team.
Oo ah.
Boy, foul. Foul jersey number 23, pushing foul, 2 shots. Penalty situation.
Kailangan pumasok yung dalawa.
Oh, penalty. 2 shots.
Laban laro yung mga bata na yung pag-champion. Hindi yung
Boy, hindi pumasok ang mga.
hindi yung mga kwan.
Second throw. Green team.
Oo. Late naman yun.
Baluyo, 10 seconds. To Baluyo for three. Ay, ball naman yun. Baluyo once again. Bang! Nara bonus. Point 3.
O, ito mga sir ha. Pagka tumunog yung buzzer, yun yung ano no, wala na tayong questionan. Yung buzzer po, pagpapasyan natin, hindi mo ako committee. Salamat po.
All. Sabi ko na eh. All 96, nangangamoy overtime na to.
Yan, tignan nyo nga naman no.
6 na lang.
Opening game pa lang ng Tricenaria, napakagandang laban na.
Kaya si Baluyo. Alley-oop.
Tino. Overtime. We were ready to overtime.
Yun, napakagandang laban. Another 5 minutes. Hindi ko na shoot yung mga player mo.
Overtime.
Okay, back to the ball game.
All 96 game.
Okay, green ball.
Makarae. Pass to Baluyo. Baluyo. Dead shoot. Isi dia. Isi dimasuk Baluyo kemarin. Fight to shoot. Patay ba tingin? Up. Baluyo to. Pinasalaban na ako ngayon ng Libyo. Pass to Tino. Tino layup. 2 points. Tino. Running for delaying the game. Light. Green po yan na green. Baluyo. 15 to shoot. Baluyo. To Baluyo. 10 to shoot. Baluyo for 3. Ay, Pass into the middle. Chick fires. Air ball. Substitution. Sarmiento out. Tidy.
Pinasok. Pause muna tayo.
Pito to 1. 1 to Tino. Then shoot. Tino for 3. Shot. Rebound na ngayon ni Baluyot. Pass to Chief. Chief for 3. Shot. Rebound na ngayon ni Pito. Carbonell. Then shoot. Carbonell matake spin. There's no whistle. Foul jersey number 0, Baluyot. Illegal defense, 2 shots. Hindi pumasok ang walang free throw. Second throw. Hindi pa pumasok ang rebound by Baluyot. Pass to Baluyot. Layup, hindi pumasok 2 points at Titan. Alipio, score natin ay 98-100 in favor of White Team. Tino. Last day to shoot. Tino cross. Tino drives. Oy, there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 23. Holding foul to 2 shots. Short. Second throw. Rebound by Titan. To Baluyot. Baluyot to Baluyot. Last time to shoot. Baluyot cross. Pass to Titan. At Titan fires 2 points. At Titan. Score na right. Deadlock 100.
All.
Tino.
Na naman.
Alipio. To Pito. To Tino. Last fight to shoot. Tino fires up. Hindi masok rebound naman at Titan. At Titan pass to intercepted by 1 ako ni Alipio. Pass to Pito. Pito. Intercepted by Baluyot. Baluyot to Baluyot. Wide open for 3 points. Baluyot. Change favor. Carbonell. Pinasagit. Tino. Carbonell. Carbonell spin. Fires. Double rebound by Tyler. To Chi. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds play. Oy, save ball substitution. Substitution.
Kaninong bola rin? Kaninong bola?
Save ball.
Save ball. Okay, time out daw.
Time
Time out.
out. Green team. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Follow yun. Pass to Villatema. Hindi pasok tira rin mga tao. Ngayon, Intinyo. Oh, there's a reset. Foul jersey number 23. Pushing foul. Penalty situation. Money for 5 fouls. Jersey number 23. Villatema. Uy, short. Ako na pwede ulit din yun. Second throw. Pumasok. Score na tayo. 101 round 3. In favor of Green Team. Panuyo. Continue to shoot. Last time to shoot. Check pass to Villatema. Tomo 3 bata ko ngayon ng Carbonel. To Pito. Last 20 seconds. Pito to Belmonte for the lead. Now pass to Pasco Fires. 2 points. Score. Deadlock 103. Panuyo. Dead shoot. Fires. Double 3 bata ko ngayon ng Belmonte. Belmonte pass to Carbonel. Uy, nabitawan. Last 10 seconds. To Belmonte. To Carbonel. Uy, Carbonel pa rin. Guys, uy, there's a reset. Foul jersey number 31. Illegal is offense. 2 shots. Last 5 seconds. Pumasok ang isa. Wala na pong time out ng Green Team. Wala na po. Second row. Hindi pasok ni mga tayo na Villatema. Foul! Foul jersey number 32. Line foul. 2 shots. Penalty situation.
Wala na namang oras. Ha? Ewan mo ba?
Pumasok ang una.
Ito na naman ang serye. Panalo na, natalo pa.
Second row.
Lumamang, oh.
Score 100. 103.
Okay.
104 pala, 104.
Ulitin po natin ha. Hanggang dito tumutunog ang buzzer, hindi matapos. At saka pag tumulog ang buzzer, automatic na po yan, hindi na po ano ng comedy yan.
Ito, wala na tong ka-overtime. Wala nang ka-overtime to.
Back to the ball game. Picture po sa gitna, winning team.
Ito. Red, jacket blue. Susunod. Paano ba? Meron daw ba doon? Saan ba tayo?
Yung green team daw po, picture daw po sa gitna.
Ano oras na ba? Pwede pa. Alas 9 pa yung mga bata eh. Saan tayo?
Okay, ang first player of the day, Mr. G ng green team.
Hindi sana na foul.